So if you see my previous videos, you would have seen that a couple of weeks ago I received a DELL Vostro 3360. That first boot up on that machine, it actually came up with a blue screen of death and was unusable because Dell forgot to install the CPU fan, or the CPU fan was damaged in some way and wasn't functioning. So they've sent me a replacement, and this is the one here, so I'll be doing the unboxing on this unit. Okay, so we'll just get rid of a lot of packaging here. So there is the actual unit. There is the power cable, as well as all the documentation. So in here, we have the warranty and support card. Now I see there's a lot of glare off of there, but that is the warranty and support information. We have the safety, environmental, and regulatory information. We have the installation CD, so we have the Windows 7 install CD, we have the application CD, as well as the resource media CDs. And finally, we have the setup and features information guide. In addition, we have the cable that plugs into the wall. Just go ahead and open that up. So that is the type of connector that it uses. And that's the 3-prong. And here is the AC. So that plugs into there. And this is the barrel connector that plugs into your actual laptop. Okay, enough with all of that. Let's have a look at the unit. So here it is, once again. This is the Vostro 3360. Let's open up the lid here and see what that looks like. So there is the chiclet keyboard. You have your touchpad here, you have your finger print reader, your button mouses. On the back side you have your single VGA and your lock on that side there. On the other side we have a USB 3 card reader, network, that's a gigabit. We also have the audio and mic port on that side. On this side here we have the power adapter, 2 USB ports. I think those are USB 2s or USB 3s, I'm not exactly sure. And then we have HDMI. We also have a fan on this side here, a nice little grill. On the underside, we have some air vents on one side here. Underneath this, we have the solid-state hard drive, as well as the wireless card, as well as the slots there for the memory. So that is the conclusion of the unboxing for the replacement DELL Vostro 3360. If you have any questions about the Vostro 3360, please do post them. I will be monitoring that and posting up any follow-ups to that. I do know it's a new product, so I will see that. I've already seen that a lot of people are interested in it. So if you have any questions, please do post it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.